channel. Today we're going to be organizing all the new products that we have in stock. We have to get ready for our launch day, which is in 2 days. We have lashes, lip liners, eyebrow pencils, our adhesive liquid pens, our lash boxes in here, and then we have all our lippies over here. Oh yeah, we have lipsticks over here too. But I know I look a hot mess. I really do not care. It's Saturday. My launch day is in 2 days, which is actually on my birthday. I'll be turning 25, so I know I don't look it, but yeah, so we're going to be organizing them and putting them in these, and then I'm going to take you guys over to my inventory closet, and we're going to put all the inventory away, count them, and then put it on the website. Put it how much we have in stock on the website. So I'm probably going to do like either some soft music over, because I'm going to have my music playing and I don't want to get copyrighted. But I'm probably going to just do a voiceover with some soft music, and that's pretty much it. So let's just get to work. I'll talk to you guys at the end. Yeah. So yeah, guys. Okay guys, the lighting and stuff is probably different now because I had to go out to Walmart with my mom and I had to actually get 13 more of these. So now I'm back in the house and I'm gonna finish doing everything I was doing, separating everything, and then like I said, I'm gonna take you guys right to the closet and we're gonna put everything away and I'm gonna show you how I organize my inventory closet and just keep things neat and stuff like that or whatever, and that's pretty much it. So let's just keep on doing what I was doing. I did package all my lashes up, so I finished that off camera, you guys. I packaged them all up. They are they're in this packaging, but they're also in my packaging with the protective plastic packaging, and I will be labeling them with the names on them, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'm cooking right now. My son's upstairs watching Coco, so I'm all over the place, but I'm gonna be labeling them with the names on them. But right now I'm just gonna put all these in here because this is the bin for this one with the this is how I know the number of lash that I'm ordering, even though my vendor knows the bulk order. She knows, so that's good. Do have more lashes in the closet that I need to package up, but I only have these left. Only have 4 left. I need to call my I need to write my vendor and tell her I need more boxes. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna bring you guys. All right, that lashes and the lip gloss and stuff like that over there. I'm gonna bring you guys over here to is lip liners, it's eyebrow pencils, and we have the liquid adhesive pens, and then we have 2 left. So one of them is going to be for the lipsticks. I have lipsticks. These are my lipsticks, and you take them out the packaging and it rolls up. I'll show you guys all of that stuff like in the next video. So I'm gonna put that stuff away in here and this stuff away in here, and yeah. do the pins and the lipstick, and then we should be done. So let's do the pins and lipstick. I'm actually gonna wait on the lipstick because I don't know how I wanna take my product pictures for that yet. That's gonna be on the website again. I'm not gonna do the lipsticks because excuse me, I'm not sure how I want to advertise them. So yeah, I think that's everything. We're just gonna double check. Okay, everything's in there. Nice stuff, guys. I just want you guys to see. This is everything. Okay, that's it, guys, for watching me unpackage, organize. It's pretty easy. It's just like I said, pop some music on and you're gonna get through it. Now my dinner is done and I'm pretty sure my son's upstairs waiting for me so we can watch Coco together. So I'm probably going to see you guys tomorrow morning, and I'll just add that clip into it. And we're going to organize all of this into the closet, and that'll be that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the next day. It is now. We're gonna be putting everything in the inventory closet and organizing it and stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. That's my son right there. But we're gonna be putting everything in the inventory closet and putting it away. And tomorrow is lunch day, so hopefully I can get this video out to you guys before lunch day. Shh. Before lunch day tomorrow. And I'm talking. And let's just hurry up because I don't want him to keep talking in the video. So let's just hurry up and get this stuff in the closet. And yeah. This stuff right here is all my old stuff. Like this, the lash right here that I have, I actually have it over there that I'm going to be restocking. And I just don't have, I can actually put this in the new box, but all this stuff going to be on my website for clearance. Everything under $10, probably $8. So make sure you guys keep a lookout for that. I have like extra lashes. Excuse me. Old business cards. The only thing that changed on my business cards was really like I put less pink and more white and black. And then I have a different picture. That's all. But I always keep like stuff from when I first launched and stuff like that, just to remember like my steps, my growth. And this one, I have my packaging. This is where I'll be packaging you guys stuff up, and then I'll be putting it in the bubble mailer. For my drop-offs, I have these. I also have these for my lip glosses. We got the wrap. We all ready to wrap up some stuff. Down here, the bubble mailers. And there's just more stuff down there for my lip scrubs, and when I get into my lip scrubs and stuff like that. So when I get an order, I just bring my phone or I bring my laptop over. I look at what they got, what they ordered. I pick it out. I sit it down. I get a business card. I get a thank you card. I get the bubble mailer, the wrap, and I package it up. I label it and I set it to the side for when it's time for shipping days. I only have 2 shipping days. I don't ship every day, and if you're local, I'm only going to have 1 pickup day, because I also do work and also run my business, and on top of that I have 2 toddlers and they go to school. So I'm going to be cutting back on a lot, but it's for the better and to just keep me sane and healthy, because running a business by yourself, being a single mother is not easy. So yeah, it's pretty much my inventory closet. I'm gonna show you guys one more time, and then we're gonna be cutting this video short. Like I said, I just wanted to show you guys, take you guys with me on how I package, get ready, and show you guys my inventory closet. Okay, so this is the lashes. This is all the lashes. Don't worry about the names on them. This is from when I did the other stuff. I'm gonna put a new name on them, because this is it. Like, this is finally it. I'm finally happy with all that I got, what I'm doing. I always wanted just my own cosmetic business. So this is it, guys. These are my new business cards and my new thank you cards, my book for inspiration. And this is where I set my tree. I had to move this. I don't know where to move this. My house is not that big, and I don't know where to put it. I threw the box out that came with it, so I don't know. And then this is everything. And then it goes more down there. This is a whole nother business venture. I went to school to be an esthetician, so I'm gonna be getting my license soon, taking clients and stuff like that. Make sure you guys be on the lookout for that. And then, like I said, all my clearance stuff. These are clearance. This is stuff that I used to do that I don't do no more, or styles that are no longer in stock that I won't be stocking no more. So yeah, and then just extra boxes. But I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Look at my kids look back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in my next video.